What are you eating?
I'm 14 and 4.
What is it?
Mine's cookie.
Is it good? Are you making a mess? What's that on your shirt? What's that on the table now? Just leave it there, okay? Daddy will vacuum it. Don't play with it. Let me see your mouth. Wow. Gosh, you're pretty. What do you say when someone says you're pretty?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, don't touch your crumbs, okay? No, don't. Don't. Because Daddy has to vacuum it. Don't touch it, okay? Jeez. That was a big bite. Say, let me see. Why so big? Where's your popcorn? Where'd you buy that?
Cookie.
With who?
Mommy and Ashley.
Okay. Say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Who's your favorite daddy?
Chris.
Kveth. Who's your favorite kuya?
Mother.
Favorite mama?
Trina.
Krina. Okay, say bye.
Bye.